So I had a case of temporary insanity, and I thought for some reason with all the oxbows it would be quicker to walk around to the next lake. I learned my lesson. You just never leave the boat. It's so much harder to carry your gear and pull it around. And I've got so many portages ahead of me anyhow.
This is the kayak paddle, and nothing against the kayak makers. This is a really good paddle. I'm just using it for things it wasn't designed for. But anyhow, I broke the shaft, right? So I'm thinking I can fix it by carving down one of these wooden plugs and then gluing it to the inside and gluing it to the other paddle's side and then join them together. And so today during my bit of downtime, I'm just gonna carve down one of these plugs and so that it fits in there nice and tightly. So, all right, take this other end down to the same size. Get some glue.
Well, it's June 14th, around 6 o'clock, and I totally screwed up again. I swamped my boat at here at Crooked Lake. Kind of was raining all day and then it cleared up, and I thought, I'll get a few hours in paddling, and then I was just paddling cross waves, sail up. It was kind of going okay, and then it kind of turned, and then it was crosswinded, and a wave came in and a gust at the same time and blew the boat over, soaked everything, and kind of soaked my drone. I don't know if it's going to work anymore. Trying to dry everything out. I'm just getting really, really discouraged. Kind of like, man, did I bite off more than I could chew? Or like, this is the easy part. This is like the nothing, and I'm making mistakes all the time. All the time. Like every time I turn around, I'm doing something stupid. It's like I can't be doing that. So I don't know. I'm just discouraged. I'm homesick. I wish I was at home with my kids, going rock climbing, doing whatever, watching Netflix. I don't know. All right, so it's a new day. Had a couple of bad days there, but we're on our way. Beautiful morning. This is incredible, you know. The sun's high. It's out. It's 6 o'clock.
5:42 in the morning. It's incredible, beautiful after the last couple of days. So we go to the end of Crooked Lake today and hopefully maybe make that next lake. But I don't know, we're back into the, after every lake, it seems like they hold back water and then you gotta struggle for a couple of days to get to someplace where there's more water added and you start paddling again. So as beautiful as this is, it's only temporary, as they say. And my kayak paddle seems to be working fine. I'm going to be gentle on it, but it seems nice and firm, like it doesn't flex or anything. So maybe that glue plug and the duct tape is going to do the trick. And I'll just use it for lake paddling. It's really nice because you don't have to put your rudder down, you can steer your boat. Just a little more power on one side, a little less power on the other. Keep your boat going straight. Oh God, what day is it? 15th? The 16th of June. Anyhow, June 16th. Well, let's give her. Let's go for a paddle on the incredible Crooked Lake, Saskatchewan. Nice place. So I managed to just get in my boat as the rain started. I'm nice and dry. I got my paddle jacket underneath my Patagonia jacket here, so I'm not getting wet. And then I got my spray skirt around me. So I'm feeling pretty good. I'm kind of weatherproof. And hopefully this lets up and we have a really good day. Got started at 6:18 this morning, which is a nice start compared to the other day, which was like 8:30. So we're 2 hours ahead of schedule from yesterday. So let's do this thing.
A good-sized hailstone. I hope they quit soon. Don't appear to, though. Oh, here's a little light up a bit.
Whoa. Well, that was my first hailstone storm. Glad they didn't get any bigger. They're getting big enough. Look at that, eh? Like these ice pellets. So, this is the moment I've been dreaming about for a couple of weeks now, is joining the Assiniboine River. And this way, this is the Assiniboine here. And this is the Qu'Appelle, the river I just came off of, that I've been on for like almost 3 weeks, I guess. 2.5 weeks. And there's the direction I'm going, and I got some more flow. I've got the equivalent of what I was on added, maybe even more. So now I got twice the flow, so
I'm just hoping this is going to help and get me going where I want to go. Can't hurt.